In today's video, we are going to show you how to snipe meme coins using Axiom. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the Axiom dashboard. If you are a new user, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the interface. You will find sections for the trackers, perpetuals, predictions, portfolio rewards, and of course, pulse. Everything is designed to help you react quickly to newly launched tokens. Before you can snipe any token, you'll need to have funds available. So open your wallet section, which can be found on the top right corner, and deposit the supported cryptocurrency, typically SOL or SOL if you are trading Solana. Always keep a small amount reserved for network and transaction fees so your trades don't fail. So wait until your deposit has been confirmed before moving on. And once you have successfully deposited any amount on your account, now we need to go to the pulse where we can snipe meme coins very early on. Now, before choosing any random meme coins, I want you to go to the filters because this is as important as finding and sniping meme coins early on. Now, I need you to add these certain keywords like pumped, bonk, and bags. That is for the new pair that you have selected. Once Axiom recognizes the token, you'll be able to configure your sniper settings and click the Apply All. Now, navigate to the new pair. Since we have already added the filter, it will give you much refined results. For example, we are going to choose Baby or Blackberry. Now, once you have chosen your meme coins, before risking real money, you want to make sure to start small amounts until you're comfortable using the platform. For example, let's say we're going to choose the 1. Verify every contract address to avoid scams, and never invest more than you are willing to lose. Be cautious of extremely high slippage settings. Remember that fast execution doesn't guarantee any profits. Meme coin trading is highly speculative and extremely volatile. Even experienced traders can experience significant losses. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you snipe meme coins using Axiom. While Axiom provides powerful tools for fast execution, successful trading still comes down to doing your own research, managing your risk, and avoiding emotional decisions. Sniping can be exciting, but it's also one of the riskiest forms of crypto trading, so always trade responsibly. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.